How do you inhabit beauty? That question, which might seem abstract at first, becomes tangible in a place like this, a steep hillside facing the endless blue of the Aegean Sea in Tinos, one of the Cycladic islands in Greece. Here, beauty isn't just scenery, it is the land itself, the light, the wind, the topography carved by time. And the house, instead of asserting itself, chooses to disappear. With a slope ranging from 24 to 48%, the plot practically forces the construction to bury itself. The residence hides in the ground, filling the gaps in the terrain and adopting the natural contours as part of its structure. The most powerful gesture is precisely that, giving up architectural presence to inhabit the landscape without interrupting it. Seen from above, the caved house barely reveals itself. The only clue is a discrete volume on the flattest part of the site to the west, which marks the entrance. The entrance is located on the side, and from the moment you step in, a panoramic view unfolds. To the left, a long pool runs the full length of the house. To the right, the town of Tinos and the sea frame the horizon. This small ground-level block resembles the island's traditional structures and acts as a transition between the outside world and the buried interior. Facing the slope, the house is supported by stone walls that continue the lines of the mountain. And facing the sea, the ceiling of the living space extends outward, forming a canopy that emerges from the earth and subtly reveals the presence of the architecture. To bring light and air inside, internal courtyards were carved out, some open, others shaded by pergolas, slicing into the subterranean volume and bringing the sky indoors. These voids organize the house, protect it from the almost constant northwesterly winds, and create shifting atmospheres throughout the day. The shadows cast by the pergolas highlight the simplicity of the design, where solid and void are carefully balanced. The journey into the house is marked by contrast. The weight of the earth, the lightness of the sky, the restraint of the volumes, and the vastness of the landscape. The long, linear, silent pool reflects that balance between presence and absence. It follows the main axis of the house, serving both as a contemplative feature and a spatial guide. In the end, what this house teaches is that inhabiting beauty is not about occupying it, but about listening to it. It means allowing the place to speak louder than the architecture. Here, living is like excavating the land, not to transform it, but to fit into it with respect and precision.